Saisidha, a global leader in sugar engineering, has delivered advanced, energy-efficient solutions for over 4 decades. We introduce our innovative liquid-to-liquid condensate heat exchanger, utilizing the sensible heat for heating and cooling application, patented in 18 countries. A groundbreaking solution for sustainable and efficient sugar processing. By installing the patented system in conventional existing plants, we have helped reduce steam percentage cane from 45% to 30% on cane for power production, with some minor modifications to the plant. Let's take a closer look. The key feature of this system is the combination of extracting sensible heat from processed condensate and recovering condensate flash to maximize energy savings. At its core, vapor condensates are used after flashing to preheat raw juice from 45 degrees centigrade to 72 degrees centigrade, enabling precise temperature control and eliminating the need for medium pressure steam. The design is well engineered to manage processed condensate. Using only 3 pumps to handle all condensate generated in the process house, reducing power and maintenance costs. This versatile system supports juice flow rates from 50 TCH to 700 TCH and is suitable for various applications: for heating, raw juice, sulfured juice, clear juice, scalding juice, pressed juice and superheated wash water, and for cooling, cane syrup and cane molasses. Saisidha's condensate heater is eco-friendly, requiring no chemicals while cleaning the heat exchangers. Packed with several key features, its simple design is easy to operate, with a short implementation timeline and an assured payback within 1 sugar season. With over 170 installations across 18 countries, the system is redefining industry standards. Revolutionize your operations with Saisidha's condensate heater, a performance-proven technology that helps improve the final sugar quality, extraction efficiency, and overall capacity of the plant. Saisidha, empowering industries with intelligent engineering.